morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
So this is your spoken English session now. I will ask you some questions in English and you have to understand that what I want to know. And you have to answer me in English. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shwana, now tell me which class do you read in now?
I read in class 3.
Class 3. And you, Srija?
I read in class 3.
Okay. Srija, you tell me what is your father's name?
My father's name is Somir Pakira.
Somit Bakira. And Suhana, you tell me how old are you?
I am 9 years old.
9 years old. Very nice. Who is your best friend, Srija?
Sohana is my best friend.
Sohana is your best friend. Very nice. And Sohana, you tell me who are your friends? তোমার বন্ধু কারা? Who are your friends?
Srija, Sayoni, Rani and Osmit are my friends.
Very nice. Srija, do you have any pet?
Yes, I have a pet dog.
Pet dog. What is its name?
Tabby.
Its name is Rocky or anything. Its name is Rocky. Okay, very nice. Do you love animals?
Yes.
Yes, I.
Yes, I love animals.
Very nice. Okay, bye bye. Now tell me, which animals do you often see? Which animal do you often see? अगर कौन पशु के तुम्हें प्राय देखते पाओ? I often see.
I often see cow, dog, and cat.
Yes, very nice. Okay, now Srija, you tell me, what do you do with your eyes?
I see with my eyes.
Very nice. And you say, what do you do with your hands?
I do work my hands.
I do work. मतलब আমি কাজ করি with my hands. Okay. What do you do with your nose?
I smell with my nose.
Okay. What do you do with your tongue? I taste with my tongue. অর্থাৎ আমি আমার জিভ দিয়ে স্বাদ গ্রহণ করি. Okay, very nice. Srija, tell me what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
English. Very nice. And you?
My favorite subject is English.
Okay, so both of you love English, and you know I also love English very much. Okay, so now I want to know from you that what is your favorite color?
My favorite color red.
My favorite color is red. What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is lotus.
Okay, what is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
Dancing. So you love dancing, and what is your hobby?
My hobby is dancing.
Okay, so both of you love dancing. Okay, very nice. Clap your hands. Okay, so you answered in a brilliant way. Thank you, and best of luck.